Imagine a vehicle that fuses Korean innovation, raw power, and hybrid efficiency into a rolling palace designed for both adventure and luxury living. That's exactly what the 2026 Kia 6x6 Hybrid Motorhome Camper brings to the world, a breathtaking machine that doesn't just challenge the idea of what a camper should be, it completely rewrites the rulebook. This isn't just transportation, it's a mobile sanctuary, a six-wheeled marvel that takes you farther, faster, and greener than ever before. The first thing that hits you is the presence. Towering over regular vehicles, the Kia 6x6 commands the road with military-grade stance, wrapped in futuristic design language that mirrors Kia's new wave of sculpted bodywork. The grille glows with illuminated accents, the LED light bars sweep across the front with an almost spaceship-like aura, and the massive 22-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires signal that this camper was built for dominance, whether it's gliding across the city streets or tearing through desert dunes. The hybrid powertrain beneath ensures that this beast is not only powerful but also conscious, offering up to 700 horsepower with combined electric and gas performance while delivering extended range and reduced emissions, redefining eco-luxury in the motorhome world. Step inside, and the world transforms from rugged adventure to serene five-star living. The cabin greets you with panoramic smart glass windows that tint at the touch of a button, filling the lounge with natural light during the day and starlit ambience at night. The living area is adorned with rich sustainable woods, soft vegan leather seating, and a modular sofa arrangement that easily transforms into an entertainment hub. A 70-inch OLED screen descends from the ceiling, paired with a surround sound audio system that turns movie nights on the road into an IMAX-worthy experience. The kitchen is a chef's dream in compact form, marble countertops, induction cooktops, and AI-assisted appliances that suggest recipes based on what's stocked in the smart fridge. There's even a self-cleaning system so you can focus on enjoying your meals rather than cleaning up after them. The dining space converts seamlessly into a workspace, with fold-out smart displays and integrated charging stations, perfect for those who want to blend travel with productivity. Heading to the rear, the master suite feels more like a boutique hotel than a camper. A queen-sized memory foam bed with ambient lighting, climate control zones, and floor-to-ceiling storage make it a true retreat. The bathroom continues the luxury with rainfall showers, touch panel mirrors, and a water recycling system that maximizes efficiency without compromising comfort. And for families or groups, the loft-style secondary sleeping pods add another layer of functionality, giving everyone their own private space within the motorhome. What truly sets the Kia 6x6 Hybrid Motorhome Camper apart, however, is its tech-driven ecosystem. The AI assistant on board syncs with your driving patterns, adjusts ride height for off-road challenges, and even manages energy flow between the hybrid engine and the massive solar array built into the roof. With these innovations, you can venture off-grid for weeks, relying on renewable energy while staying fully connected through satellite-based internet and a high-speed 6G network hub built into the camper. Driving this beast is as effortless as it is exhilarating. Despite its size and presence, Kia's adaptive suspension smooths out the roughest terrains, while the 6x6 drivetrain grips like a predator on the hunt. Multiple drive modes let you switch from city cruising to mountain climbing, with precision steering and advanced safety systems making sure you're always in control. It's not just about the destination anymore, it's about savoring every second of the journey. The 2026 Kia 6x6 Hybrid Motorhome Camper is more than a vehicle. It's the ultimate expression of freedom, sustainability, and futuristic luxury. It breaks boundaries by proving that comfort, eco-responsibility, and rugged power can coexist in one extraordinary machine. This is not just a camper. It's a glimpse into the future of adventure living, where every road becomes your runway and every horizon is yours to claim.